Hey, what's up everyone? You accidentally deleted an important email in Outlook, only to realize it's gone forever. Today, we're going to show you how to recover those deleted emails using Stellar Repair for Outlook. We've all been there. You're cleaning out your inbox, and in a split second, you delete an email that you desperately need. Panic sets in, and you wonder if there's any way to get it back. That's where Stellar Repair for Outlook comes in. This powerful tool can recover deleted emails, contacts, and other Outlook data in just a few clicks. First, download and install Stellar Repair for Outlook from the link in our description box below. Once installed, launch the software and select the Outlook PST file you want to repair. The software will then scan your PST file for recoverable data. This process may take a few minutes, depending on the file size and the amount of data to be recovered. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a list of recoverable emails. You can preview these emails to ensure they're the ones you need, and then select the ones you want to recover. Finally, choose a secure location to store your recovered emails. It's essential to save them to a different folder to avoid overwriting the original data. That's it! With Stellar Repair for Outlook, you can recover your deleted emails in just a few easy steps. This software supports the recovery of emails, contacts, calendars, and more, and is compatible with all versions of Outlook. Download Stellar Repair for Outlook today and start recovering your important data. Click the link in our description box to get started. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.